Hi Pyro people, my name is Steve Stasinos and I'm here to introduce you to a product that I've been working on called the Crackle Cube. Crackle Cube is basically a device that lets you run your shows, script your shows, and basically reuse these type of modules that you probably have already purchased when you first got started with doing actual firing systems for your shows. So just like you, I bought myself one of these units and this is great, right? It'll do kind of what it's supposed to do. I can push a button and it will fire off the cue and I can kind of watch my show a little bit. But I still have to time it and still have to pay attention to it. So over the years, I started building out my own solution to script up my shows and so on. So I finally decided that I'm going to go ahead and make a product out of it. So this is the Crackle Cube. And so this is a combination Wi-Fi and RF. I'm going to do a combined distance of about 500 feet, over 500 feet. 100 of that is Wi-Fi and 400 of that is the RF itself. So the unit, it's rechargeable. It has about 12 hours of runtime, so really plenty of power to make sure your show is set up, your fireworks are all set up without worrying about running out of power. It'll take about 4 hours to do a full recharge with a micro USB, which you get it with it, right? It'll come with the unit. So today we have the Crackle Show Creator free Windows software to do all your scripting and managing your stash, and you can actually run your show from a Windows computer. Also, we have the mobile app for iOS that's available that will allow you to do manual firing and to run the scripts that you create in the Crackle Show Creator software. Android is currently under development and realistically is probably at least 10 to 14 days out. So it's really going to be kind of close. I know 4th of July is coming up, but we're opening up the beta program. So if you're interested in doing it for Android, we should have it available before the 4th, and you can be part of the beta program so that you can try it out. Okay, so as I mentioned, the Crackle Cube is basically Wi-Fi, and so what it does is it sets up a network. So I'm going to show you how the software works on iOS. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this so we can kind of see. All right, so you can see we've got our module right kind of in the ready mode. You see the Crackle Cube is lit up and it's ready, and you can see that here on my iPhone is the Crackle Cube network. So I'll just go ahead and select that and we'll let it connect up, and once it's connected we're going to go ahead and switch over to the app. Now you'll see that the cube just flashed. It just connected. Didn't have to take a step, it just found it, connected it. So we're just going to go over here to manual. And you can see this kind of looks familiar, should be pretty straightforward for you to figure out how to use it. But basically, it's all set, right? I just push the button, and you see that the ignition light went off. You see that the Crackle Cube itself flashes, so it lets you know that it received a signal. So we're going to go ahead and select this and go to the shows. And so I'm going to do this short demo here. And it's going to load it up. And so now we have kind of this brief show with our cues, which is 4 cues. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to arm the show. It's going to load it to the Crackle Cube. And then we're just going to go ahead and start the show. And you can see it starts flashing the modules as the fireworks kind of come up on the show itself. And you can see you get confirmation on the cube itself that it was sending out the RF signal to the module, and you can see that the module is showing you or the light on the module is showing you that it's connected. So that's pretty much how the system works. There will be a video. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. You can see that the Crackle Cube is flashing to let you know it's paused. This is the quick demo of how the product works. I'll have another video showing a detailed demo of how you would actually build a script using the Crackle Show Creator window software. Thank you for your time, and reach out to me if you have any questions.